everyone. Let's say you have curated lots of Twitter bookmark folders in your Twitter and you are finding a way to export all your bookmark folders to somewhere safe place. No worries. In this video, we can see how you can export all your bookmark folders to Tweetsmash. To do that, just go to the reading page and click on import. Make sure you have installed our Tweetsmash Chrome extension. Once you have installed it, you can see the installed button near the sync with browser extension text. And once installed, you can click on the sync bookmark folders and it will take you to Twitter. There, you can see the sync in progress text near the bookmarks heading. It just takes 2 minutes to export all your bookmark folders. You can see there are 12 folders and all your bookmark folders are exported and you can view in the labels page, either in the top or below the labels section. Not only this, you can export all your bookmark folders to Notion or Google Sheets. Hope you got a quick overview of how to sync your bookmark folders to Tweetsmash. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.